Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to share one of my experiences that I have been having. And so, what happened is that before Christmas holidays, I conducted certain pilot experiments for one of the clinical trials, so one of the study which is part of my PhD project. And that went really well because we could complete the whole pilot study from starting from November 30th, 2020, up until December 22. So in all, it took around 80 hours of experimental testing, and provided that we had 10 participants and each person had almost 3.5 to 4 hours of a testing session, and there were two testing sessions for each participant. So that was something that I was really proud of before beginning the Christmas holidays. But as I completed my Christmas holidays, the point came when I had to analyze my data, and I was really excited for that. But this is why I'm making this video, is because a certain amount of time and certain days you really lack the motivation. And the question is how to keep up the motivation, or the other question is that how do you break this cycle of not getting an initiation to start something new. So in order to analyze the data, I have to learn a new software, and I've been actually pushing this for almost a week. I just tried to find other stuff that I could do so that I could procrastinate on this, and I'm just being really honest here with you all. And this would really happen if you're already a PhD student, because you have like n number of tasks, and when you have these n number of tasks, you try to do those tasks which seem easy to you, and you actually put those tasks those are difficult to you in the back of your mind, and also like you try to procrastinate on this. So today finally I just decided that I would work on this, and no matter what, like how slow my progress is, I would just stick to this, and we will see how I progress with this. So this was something that I want to tell you, is that what really helped me was to find the icebreakers. And this is something that I learned in the morning, when just happened to discuss this with one of my friend. And they mentioned this, that even when you begin a physical activity or something, in the beginning of the session you really have this moment when you just say to yourself that, oh my god, why am I doing this, and I should maybe stop. But as the time passes, you start enjoying that. And the same thing happened with this whole new software learning, is that up until now, I was procrastinating on it. So I've basically procrastinated for almost 7 days in a row. And then today I thought, okay, so in order to begin this, what should be the icebreaker? And for me, the biggest icebreaker is the ability to come to the workplace. And once I'm at the workplace, the flow is set, and then I'm just all ready to go. So that is my icebreaker. So I want you to find out for yourself what is your icebreaker, just in case you are procrastinating onto something and you really want to do that, but you don't do it because you're scared to do that. And the other thing is that you've been holding on to it for a very long time, and you feel guilty if you haven't done it, but you still don't have the courage to do it. So that's quite about it for today's PhD vlog. I'm glad that I began this today, but we will see. It's a long journey, and I have a long way to go, and I feel it's the same for all of us. So yeah, I wish you all the best, and let me know in the comment section below what are your icebreakers, and what are the things that you have been procrastinating on, and for how many days did you procrastinate, and how did you break that cycle. So I see you in other videos, but I really feel that it's very important to discuss these aspects, because we often don't discuss this. But once we discuss this, we know that the other person is also going through this, and not that everybody is born motivated. You just have to know how to motivate yourself. All right, so I see you in other videos, and bye for now.